Pipedrive has been the go-to CRM for small sales teams for years, but with HubSpot, Zoho, and Close all fighting for the same customers, is Pipedrive still worth it in 2026? Let's break it down fast. What it is. Pipedrive is a sales-first CRM built around a visual drag-and-drop pipeline. No blotted marketing suite, no service desk, just deal tracking, contact management, and activity reminders that keep reps focused on closing. Pricing. In late 2025, Pipedrive renamed its plans Light, Growth, Premium, and Ultimate. Pricing starts around $14 to $24 per user per month, on annual billing depending on region and promos. Here's the catch. The headline price doesn't include everything. Adds-on like Lead Booster for chatbots and web forms, Smart Docs, and the campaign's email tool all cost extra. A 5-person team using all three add-ons can end up paying 2 to 3 times the base price. There is also no free tier, just a 14-day free trial. Key features. 3 things stand out this year. The visual pipeline, still one of the best in the industry. You see exactly where everyday deals stands at a glance. Activity-based selling, every deal requires a next action, which cuts down on forgotten follow-ups. AI sales assistant, now more mature, handling email drafting, deal prioritization, and quick reporting without feeling gimmicky. Fast setup is another win. Most reps are productive within hours, not weeks. Weaknesses. It is not perfect. Reporting is still fairly basic compared to HubSpot or Salesforce. The mobile app has occasional glitches, and Pipedrive doesn't scale well past 20 to 25 reps. Larger teams will outgrow its permissions and reporting limits. Who it's for? If you are a small business or startup with 5 to 25 sales reps and want something simple that reps will actually use, Pipedrive is still one of the strongest options in 2026. If you need serious marketing automation or enterprise-grade governance, look elsewhere. HubSpot Professional or Salesforce will serve you better. Verdict. So, is Pipedrive still the best CRM for sales teams in 2026? For small sales-focused teams, yes, with add-on costs in mind. For bigger, more complex operations, it's time to look up the ladder. If this helped, subscribe for more CRM breakdowns, and let me know down below in the comments which CRM you want reviewed next. Thanks for watching and goodbye.